Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about WenAirdrop. So actually if we join in their early access program, we'll be able to earn some Wen token. Okay, so by connecting here we'll be able to how much Wen token they have allocated for you. So that's what we're going to see in this video guys. And before we see about it, if this is your first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys and click on all button and like this video and continue watching it guys. Many of you are watching this video without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button, so like the video and continue watching it. And this is our Telegram channel guys. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details, airdrop link, everything I'm providing it here only, so must to follow me here also. So here you can see this Parkel confirmed airdrop is there, so must to try this one if you haven't watched this video. And about Gomble airdrop, this is Binance backed project, so go and claim your marble. The end date is February 29. So if you don't know how to claim, so here open my Twitter account. I made a video for that one. Okay, so go inside my Twitter account, you'll be able to watch this video and complete all the quiz task and follow them on the Twitter, and then you'll be able to earn these things. And finally we'll be able to get this marble. Okay, so I got 5120 marble, mystery marble, so must claim this one guys, because season 2 will end soon, and when the time it get listed on Binance, we'll be able to get some reward from this one. Okay, it's free of cost. So without any further ado, let's get into the video guys. So, and first of all, I'll be leaving this link in the description guys, just click on that, it will take you here. So once you come here, first thing we need to connect our wallet and sign. Okay, so just click on the connect, and then it will say, okay, to be eligible your wallet should have at least one Ethereum mainnet transaction. Okay, so we have done so many Ethereum mainnet transaction for Puffer Finance and Mode airdrop and Ethana airdrop. So we have done so many mainnet transaction. Okay, so just click on MetaMask and MetaMask will pop up, and click on connect. Okay, so once you click on connect, your wallet will get connected here, and then we need to sign this. Okay, so just click on sign and it will pop up, so just click on sign, and once you do the sign it will be done. Okay, so we have connected our wallet, and then we need to follow them on the exchange. Okay, so just click on the follow, it will open your Twitter account, give authorize app, and once you give authorize app, just go inside and follow them and come. Okay, so I have already followed them, and now we need to join the Wen Discord exchange. Okay, so just click on Discord and just go inside and join, and then come back here and click on check. Okay, so just click on accept invite. So once you come here, just click on verify and click on continue, and again click on continue, and they will generate a captcha. Okay, so 496945. so complete the captcha guys, then you will be added here successfully. Okay, so now again come back here and click on check, it will ask for authorize, just give authorize and it will be done. So now you can see the task got done. Okay, so now click on enter. So once you click on enter, so guys here you can see currently I'm having only 400 Wen token. The reason is I haven't done this blast bridging and all, and blur deposit also. So in case if you want to increase your reward, now what you have to do is click on this bridge. Okay, so it will take you to the blast. Okay, so personally I haven't made a video about blast airdrop, so in case if you'd have already grinded and did some bridging in blast, no, you must be eligible for this reward. Okay, not eligible, it will show for you. Okay, the reward, how much the amount of ETH you have transferred. No, for that they will give you the Wen token. So in case if you are bridging for the blast airdrop, no, you will be able to see your reward here, and go here and connect your wallet, join the early access, and you need to have some invite code and all for this one. So go there and try to do some bridging. No, so when you do bridging, you'll be able to get the Wen rewards too, and you'll be able to earn by depositing blur token also, and if you invite your friends also, you'll be able to earn the Wen token, and community incentives are there and boost. Okay, so if you want to increase your Wen token reward, you just need to do the bridging. The more number of bridging you do in the blast ecosystem, you'll be able to earn more Wen token. Okay, by sharing your referral code with your friends also, you'll be able to earn more. Okay, so for you all, what I'm going to do is, like, you know, in order to share your referral code with the community, I'm going to make one post inside my Twitter account. So in case if you haven't followed me in my Twitter account, must follow me here, guys. I'll be making a separate post for you, so where you can share your referral link. Okay, and I'll be leaving that link inside my Telegram channel. You can get access to that link inside my Telegram channel. Must follow me here, guys. And there you can share your referral link, and community people will be using your referral link. Okay, so community people can use your referral link and help each other. Okay, so pretty much that's it, guys. In this video, this is what I wanted to share in this video. I hope you all like this. If you do so, hit the like button, and thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video.